So today we're going to go over how to prep our Ice Rescue Systems throw bag for deployment. First off, we're going to take one end of the rope, 24 to 30 inches behind it, and we're going to place an inline figure eight. Once we have our inline figure eight, I want us to place the disc all the way to the end of the knot, placing the loose end of the rope all the way through the bag, making sure that the disc and the rope are all the way through. At this point, we're simply going to tie in a figure eight on a bite, making sure it's nice and taut. After we get done stuffing our throw bag, the other end of the line, we're simply going to tie a figure eight on a bite.